What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope all you guys had a good Christmas out there. But Christmas is finally over, so you guys know what that means. It's desert time. We're getting ready to leave. But before we leave, there is a lot of questions that I've been getting, a lot of DMs that I've been getting, and I cannot take the credit for this, guys. Somebody DM'd me, so if you are watching this, you know, put down in the comment section that you're the one who told me. But if you guys notice on these Rams, I get a lot of DMs saying, Eddie, is your shifter this loose? You know, it is. Mine came like this. Now, I haven't got any recall or anything on this, but what I found out, what this person DM'd me, was there's a bolt in here that's loose. You got to pop this out and tighten it up because it's not supposed to do this. Like, if you guys noticed on Joe's truck that we were in, his was, you know, barely moving like this. It wasn't flopping like this. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to pull this apart. And, well, we're going to see how we can fix this. I have never done this. I don't know how to do it. So, we're just going to give it a shot and see what happens. Let's go get a light real quick so we can see a little better and see if this is just a simple fix. I would assume it's a simple fix just to tighten the shifter up. I don't think it should be that bad, but we'll find out. All right, guys. Now that we got some light, we're going to pull this thing off. Okay. Well, that was easy. That just slides off like this. Alright, so it just has these little plastic tabs here. Alright, now. Oh, wow, look at that. That's the bolt right there, guys. Okay, that is pretty freaking easy, I guess. Didn't really expect that. Usually nothing, well, actually no, can't say yet. The job is not done yet, but you guys see that bolt right there? I think that's it. See it right there. It looks like a 10 mil bolt. So we're going to tighten this up now. That's a little scary. I don't know why. That should be a recall, Ram. This thing, you know, for this being that loose. That's a no bueno, my friend. All right, well, now let's go get a 10 mil and see if it's that easy. If we just, you know, if tightening that will fix this problem, because from grabbing it like this, doesn't seem loose. Let me see here if I can. Yeah, so it's not really, you know, that loose. I mean, well, it is loose, but when I'm shaking it like this, you figure that bolt should be extremely loose. Well, it's not, so I wonder if tightening it is gonna fix it. But let's go get a 10 mil, hopefully it's 10 mil, and see if we can fix this thing. And I'm sure you guys are gonna ask me, Eddie, what did you get for Christmas? You know, guys, I get always get some Napa stuff. This is my newest thing I got from Napa. It's a 4-ton portable ram kit. So yeah, I don't know, maybe we'll use this, you know, to ram something or open something up. Not sure. And we got some pellet guns. You know, not sure what I'll use this for. I don't know. Maybe a rabbit or something out there. We got some more Napa stuff here. This is a air grease fitting. And these I got myself. These are the lugs for the rims. And we also got a chair, another chair. You know, you can never have too much of these little creeper chairs right here. Even though I got another one over there, I still got to fix that. But, you know, I just get a bunch of Napa stuff. That's about it. More tools. You know, I love it. Can't go wrong with all the tools. Oh, look at this thing. Okay, so I will admit, this was for my son, and I kind of took it from him. I got to show you guys this. This thing is amazing. It literally, the articulation and the four-wheel drive in this thing, I mean, it can literally crawl up this box like no problem. It's insane, the power and the torque that this thing has. But if you guys want to know what my favorite gift, everything, just out of everything, no, it's not that photo. I love that photo, but this is it right here, guys. Look at this. My custom Eddie's Life mug. This is where my coffee's gonna go. This is where all the alkylate will go, and it's nice because I checked it. It does fit in the cup holder of the Can-Am, so that is perfect. So I gotta say, this is my favorite one. Also, you know, we got some hitches, you know, these old hitches that I let some friends borrow and they gave it back to me for Christmas. Thank you, Spencer, if you're watching. Also, we got some deluxe grease fittings right here, just to add to the collection. You know, you can never have too many fittings. But what I do need is more of these shelves. I need about like 10 more of these things, so I can, you know, put the stuff like this in, you know, stuff like this. So it's nice, organized, you know the size, you know where everything's at, you don't have to sit and guess. All right, but now let's get back to the RAM. What did I do? See, I got off track here, guys. I had a wrench, or I had a socket. Oh man, what the heck did I do with it? Sitting here in my pocket the whole time. That's why I don't put things in your pocket, at least for me, because I'll never find it. All right, let's see what we got going on over here. All right, let's see if, start tightening up over here. It's moving. There we go. Okay, that's about it, guys. Snugged it down, not too tight. Hey, look at that. There, that easy. Guess it was that easy. Again, huge thanks to, damn man, I wish I remember. I looked for his DMs and I could not find it, so I'm sorry, man. But guys, I'm not taking the credit on this. He DM'd me and he did it himself. He's like, oh yeah, this is it. This is the problem. So I got to give him credit. Again, I'm sorry, I don't know who it is. But let's put this back on now and well, make sure it's nice and tight still. Just slide this. So I guess this part, not sure. I don't know, you can put it any way you want. Out, and it looked like, I don't know how it was. I'll have to, I don't know if there's really a proper way to set this thing. I guess just let it do its thing, maybe. I don't know. We're just gonna leave it like that. Here, we'll put that part, there you go. Looks like it was like that. But that's it, just push out here, guys. Make sure all those little white clips are in. Check all around. Check the tops, bottoms. Yeah, everything was good. All right, now let's do the wiggle test. Yeah, look at that. It's nice and tight. There you go. And supposedly RAM is going to recall this. I don't know if that's true or not. Somebody said they're most likely going to recall it. So if you guys do get a recall on this shifter, I mean, you guys saw it was that easy. It literally took me, I don't know, a minute. The rest was just me BSing, you know, over there about my toys I got. But just get a 10 mil, and that's it. It's that easy. I just put a little shorty on there, shallow, tighten it up, and you're done. I just snugged it. It doesn't have to be mumbo jumbo tight. But I will say, if it does loosen up again on me, what I will do, I'd probably recommend also for you guys, pull that bolt out and stick some blue Loctite on there, not red. Put some blue on there, and it'll never come loose. But I don't see this thing coming loose. I think this was just like this from the factory. For you guys to keep asking me about that antenna on there, that's just for the race radio. So as you guys know, we used to use these Kenwoods right here, but the problem with these Kenwoods is the voltage sucks, you know, the wattage. I'm sorry, not voltage. The wattage is like 5 watts or 5.5, which it's weak. You know, the distance is not that good as the big radio that's in this truck. This one is 65 watts, and I mean, it's, you know, it didn't take me long to install it. I didn't do like a crazy, you know, custom job. All I did was just run it just like the Duramax through there, and that's it. And then the radio, I literally just stuck it in the seat. Look, there's your handheld part. The radio's just right there. Nothing fancy, just tucked it in there, and that's it. So that's what that antenna is for. I know some of you guys told me there are mounts. So somebody commented, I don't know, told me, Eddie, you can get the replacement for the third brake light, and it's got a mount for it. My mounting is not the issue. It's to where to run the wire. I'm not going to, you know, drill a hole in my cab and run that thing, you know, down in there. I just don't want a hole in there. So I just stick it in there. No, I don't have any water leaks. The seal's fine, you know, so I don't know. You guys asked me how I ran it. It's right there. It's that simple. Also, for you guys that know, if you don't know, you guys will now know that Big Lou and the Alkulator started a YouTube channel called 2 Guys and 1 Grill. A lot of you guys have been following it, blowing it up already, which thank you guys. That's amazing, all you guys' support out there. Their first video, I think, is almost at 1,000 views. You know, that was their first one. So for them, that's great. It's crazy. You know, I told them that they should do it because cooking is their passion. I don't see why not, you know. And for some people like me that can't cook or want to, you know, smoke some stuff on the smoker but can't figure it out, I think it's a great idea for them to start that channel. So far it's taken off, so far it's great. So I want to thank you guys for supporting them. And also I will put their link down in the description so you guys can go check them out. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, don't click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.